Church Finance and Payroll Training. Hello and welcome. Today's training will walk through the foundations of church financial management and payroll basics. In this session, we will explore expense categories, donation types, bills and tracking systems, financial software tools like ChurchTrac, payroll processes and compliance, and how to structure payroll for staff across multiple states. By the end of this session, you will have a clear framework to organize church finances, track spending, and pay staff responsibly and legally. Church finance and payroll essentials. Learning objectives. Our learning objectives today are simple. First, we will understand how to organize expense categories, donations, and bills. Second, we will explore financial tools that help track daily transactions. Third, we will review basic payroll concepts, including the difference between W-2 employees and 1099 contractors. And fourth, we will discuss how to identify payroll requirements based on state laws. By the end, you should feel more confident about how your organization tracks money and compensates staff properly. Learning objectives bullet list. Take a moment and think about this question. What is the biggest challenge your organization currently faces when managing finances? Why financial systems matter? Financial systems are essential. They are especially important for trust and transparency. But they are especially important in churches and nonprofits where trust and transparency are critical. A clear financial system helps ensure accountability, proper stewardship, accurate reporting, and responsible use of donations. A clear financial system helps ensure accountability, proper stewardship, and accurate reporting, and responsible use of donations. Without a system, money can easily become disorganized. Without a system, money can easily become disorganized or difficult to track. Even small organizations benefit from simple financial structures. The goal is clarity and consistency. The goal is not complexity. Ask yourself, if someone asked you today how much your organization spent last month on ministry programs, would you be able to answer quickly? Expense categories. Expense categories are the foundation of financial organization. Think of categories as buckets where money is grouped. Common church expense categories include facilities expenses, ministry programs, staff payroll, administrative costs, technology and software, community outreach, missions support. When expenses are categorized correctly, leaders can easily answer questions like, where is our money going? Which ministries require more resources? And are we staying within our budget? Expense category chart. Write down 3 expense categories that apply to your organization. Donation types. Now let's look at donation types. Money entering the church often comes from several sources. These may include general tithes and offerings, designated giving, special events, online donations, community grants, fundraising campaigns. It is important to track not only the amount given, but also the purpose of the gift. For example, money donated for missions should remain in the missions category. Proper tracking helps maintain donor trust. Does your organization currently separate general donations from designated donations? Bills and financial tracking. Every organization has bills, utilities, rent or mortgage, internet services, supplies, insurance, software subscriptions. Each bill should be recorded with the vendor name, the expense category, the amount, the payment date. Even the simple spreadsheet can serve as a basic tracking system. However, many churches use financial tools to automate the process. Think about the last bill your organization paid. Do you know where it was recorded? Financial tools. Financial tools can make daily financial management much easier. One example is ChurchTrac.com, which provides tools for donation tracking, expense management, member records, financial reporting. Other tools organizations use include QuickBooks, Excel spreadsheets, accounting platforms. The most important factor is consistency. Choose a tool that your team can use regularly and understand easily. Transition to payroll. Now that we understand how money comes in and goes out, let's move into payroll management. Payroll is often one of the largest expenses for churches. It is also one of the most regulated. This means organizations must handle payroll carefully and correctly. W-2 versus 1099. One of the most important payroll decisions is worker classification. Workers typically fall into two categories: W-2 employees, 1099 independent contractors. Employees generally have set schedules, follow employer direction, receive tax withholding. Contractors typically work independently, provide services for projects, handle their own taxes. Misclassifying workers can create serious tax issues. Payroll example. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose a worker is paid $10 per hour for 3 hours per week. That equals $30 weekly. Over a year, that is $1,560. Even small payroll amounts must still follow proper reporting procedures. Payroll setup. Payroll can be managed using software or manual systems. Software automates calculations. Manual methods require careful calculations and thorough documentation. Using payroll software. Payroll software can automatically calculate taxes and generate reports. Manual methods require careful calculations and documentation. State payroll laws. Payroll laws vary by state. Each state may have different requirements for income tax withholding, minimum wage reporting procedures, employer registration. Organizations must confirm payroll rules for their specific state. For example, Virginia, Maryland, Minnesota, Massachusetts. Each has unique payroll requirements. Assignment instructions. Now let's apply what we have learned. Your assignment is to answer 4 key questions. Who is getting paid? How much are they paid? How frequently are they paid? What payment method is used? Software review assignment. Next, review financial software features. Explore tools such as ChurchTrac. Watch a training video if available, or consult with a third-party financial professional. Payroll by state. If your organization operates across multiple states, you must confine payroll requirements for each location. Identify where each staff member works and review state laws accordingly. Final review. Today we covered expense categories, donation tracking, bills and financial systems, financial software tools, payroll basics, employee classification, state payroll compliance. These foundations help organizations maintain financial integrity and transparency. Closing. Thank you for participating in this training. Remember, strong financial systems support strong ministries. Your next step is to complete the assignment and review your organization's financial structure. We look forward to seeing the improvements this process brings. Thank you for your commitment to responsible financial stewardship.